A rusted door creaks open, beckoning into the silent darkness of an abandoned factory where secrets lie dormant. Dust-covered documents scattered across the floor hint at forgotten secrets as mysterious machinery hums ominously. The narrator questions, "What are they hiding?" The machinery looms, its purpose veiled in shadow, as the air vibrates with unspoken intent. Blueprints and half-sketched designs hint at a story of ambition and deceit. On-screen text proclaims, "A twisted tale of innovation and scandal, setting the stage for a saga of ambition and betrayal." In a nostalgic flashback, the factory stands as a symbol of industry's golden age, teeming with life and ambition. The rise of industry flashes across the screen, encapsulating an era of progress and prosperity. The factory floor rumbles with the promise of industry, each machine a cog in the engine of prosperity. Dreams of prosperity loom over the factory, a beacon of hope amidst the relentless churn of machinery. Each worker's diligence etches a path toward a brighter tomorrow. The factory stands as a silent testament to bygone days, its decay reflecting the stark realities of economic shifts and decline. Once a beacon of industry, the factory now bears the scars of time and economic hardship. Nature reclaims what was once a symbol of human progress as the factory slowly succumbs to the relentless march of time. In the desolate factory, empty lunch trays and abandoned tools hint at a sudden, eerie evacuation. The chilling echo of the narrator's voice whispers, "Everyone was gone." The silence screams of a world abruptly deserted, leaving behind only echoes of what once was. The Packard plant stands as a stark testament to industrial decay, its skeletal remains etched against the sky. Shattered windows and decaying walls whisper tales of a bygone era, echoing with the ghosts of industry. The narrator reflects, "Symbols of industrial evolution." The factory stands as a silent testament to the fusion of Art Deco and brutalist architectural visions. Geometric patterns dance across the facade. The raw, unyielding brutalist forms rise powerfully. Towering smokestacks loom against the skyline, a stark symbol of relentless productivity. Words flash across the screen. Symbols of productivity, a bold statement amidst the industrial landscape. Inside the factory, colossal windows reveal a haunting panorama of decay, as the on-screen words declare, "The haunting beauty of abandonment." Sunlight streams through the cracked panes, casting long shadows that dance across the desolate expanse. Dust motes swirl in the air, each a tiny testament to the passage of time and the relentless advance of entropy. Inside the deserted factory, fragments of conveyor belts and assembly lines lie scattered across the dusty floor, whispering tales of forgotten industry. On-screen text emerges, proclaiming, "Nostalgia and intrigue, painting a canvas of yearning and hidden stories." Urban explorers approach the dilapidated factory site, embarking on a quest to uncover forgotten histories. In the dilapidated factory, flashlight beams slice through the oppressive gloom as explorers venture into the heart of decay. The allure of decay is revealed in the explorers' intense inspection as they meticulously document the factory's haunting beauty. Across the screen, the words "The allure of decay" appear, underscoring the morbid fascination with the crumbling factory. The factory looms, its walls plastered with stark safety warnings, amidst a fortress of barbed wire, a silent testament to the dangers within. The narrator declares, "Safety is paramount." Within the silent, cavernous factory, brave explorers tread carefully, their flashlights cutting through the gloom. Amidst the shadows, a stark message flickers to life: "Explore with a buddy." Footsteps echo through the abandoned space, as each explorer depends on the other to ensure their safety. The camera focuses on a factory, echoing the raw, unfiltered style of the proper people. Amidst the cold, metallic heart of the factory, relics of forgotten times emerge, whispering tales of bygone eras. As hidden treasures, stories of the past flashes across the screen, the veil between the present and history thins. Inside the factory, vintage machines awaken with a chorus of hums and whirs, echoing a bygone era of technological innovation. The screen flickers to life, displaying the cryptic words, "Technological relics," hinting at forgotten marvels and secrets. Amidst a factory office's disarray, Employee records and production logs tell silent tales. On a computer screen, the words, "Valuable insights into factory history" hint at untold stories. Within the expansive factory, the narrator's voice resonates, casting light on the artifacts and their historical importance. The narrator solemnly declares, "Honor the legacy of those who came before." Echoing through the factory is a powerful message. Honor the legacy of those who came before. Under a sky stained with the hues of decay, a factory looms, its silhouette a stark reminder of ecological transgression. The air vibrates with toxic particles, an invisible assault on nature's delicate balance. Accompanying the scenery is the on-screen declaration: environmental impact, pollution issues. The factory looms ominously, its shadow cast over the landscape, a stark reminder of industrial dominance. The earth weeps unnatural hues as hazardous chemicals seep into the soil, a silent testament to environmental neglect. The screen flashes risks to local ecosystems, a chilling warning of impending ecological disaster. Amidst the wreckage of the factory, a united front of organizations and local governments emerges, dedicated to the arduous task of cleanup. A message flashes: ongoing efforts for remediation, underscoring the commitment to restore and heal. Amidst the sprawling factory grounds, a scene of transformation unfolds, as soil remediation and hazardous material removal commence, promising a new dawn for neglected landscapes. A revitalized factory site blossoms into a vibrant park, breathing new life into neglected landscapes. Nature reclaims its space, intertwining with the echoes of industry in a symphony of renewal. Sunlight dances upon the repurposed grounds, celebrating the rebirth of forgotten spaces. The EPA logo gleams, heralding a mission of restoration and community engagement. On-screen text emerges, proclaiming environmental restoration and community engagement. Under the open sky, a factory transforms into a garden of hope and renewal, echoing with the laughter and toil of a community reborn. With each seedling planted and every patch of earth tilled, the spirit of togetherness blossoms, painting a vivid mural of community pride and revitalization. Sunlight bathes the scene as the community's hands breathe new life into the landscape, turning a symbol of industry into a sanctuary of growth. The video begins with a sweeping view of the factory, teasing the secrets hidden within its walls. In the echoing depths of the factory, a low, industrial thrum permeates the air. Sunlight streams through grimy windows, casting beams of light that reveal dust motes suspended in the air, as if frozen in time. In this symphony of machinery and light, a voice echoes: approach responsibly and with respect. The factory stands as a monument to progress, its architecture a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon for future generations. In a powerful declaration, preserving sites for future generations, the factory is declared as a shared heritage, a legacy for all. Amid the factory's vibrant chaos, a narrator directly engages viewers, urging them to show their support. The narrator passionately pleads, "Please subscribe and like the video." The narrator passionately states, "Your support helps us continue creating content." In the heart of a silent factory, a lone narrator emerges amidst the stoic machinery, bathed in a soft, muted light. The narrator softly beckons viewers to voice their thoughts, inviting them to share stories in the comments below. As the narrator concludes, the invitation "Share your experiences in the comments" materializes on screen, beckoning the audience to engage. Bathed in the golden embrace of the sun, the factory stands as a beacon of hope and optimism. A voice echoes, inviting all to explore more hidden histories together. A dust-laden machine stands as a relic of industry, its silent presence echoing tales of bygone eras. The factory stands as a silent monument to a bygone era, its architecture telling tales of industry and time. A relic of toil, a rusted tool whispers tales of industry's relentless grind. Against the backdrop of a dilapidated factory, sunlight dances off the lens of a camera, signaling a journey into decay. Words materialize on the screen, documenting decay, hinting at the explorer mission to capture the essence of deterioration. The factory's walls burst with vibrant graffiti, a bold canvas of modern expression. On-screen text boldly declares, "Modern expression in a historic space." Nature asserts its dominion over the derelict factory, a testament to resilience against decay. The words "nature's resilience" appear on the screen, underscoring the scene's profound message of renewal. Sunlight pierces through a shattered window, casting light in the darkness. Under the open sky, a community unites to rejuvenate their surroundings, breathing new life into a forgotten space. A banner unfurls, proclaiming, "A community united," a bold testament to their shared vision and unwavering resolve. A factory floor, where personal belongings scattered throughout hint at the lives and stories intertwined within. Amid the cold machinery, glimpses of humanity emerge. Each item tells a silent story of struggle and resilience. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow, a factory stands silhouetted against the fading light, signaling a final glimpse. A blueprint unfolds before us, revealing a world of lost designs. A colossal smokestack, a modern-day titan, releases plumes into the heavens, casting a shadow over the earth. Across the screen, the words "Silent Sentinels" emerge, hinting at a hidden narrative within the industrial landscape. A rusted gear dominates the screen, symbolizing the relentless grind and decay of time. Words materialize onto the scene, turning points, heralding a moment of pivotal change in dire choices. A stark security warning looms, a silent sentinel guarding the entrance to the factory. An ominous message flashes across the screen. Caution, history inside. In the heart of the factory, an aged advertisement flickers to life, its on-screen text boldly proclaiming, "Marketing the past." The vintage advertisement stands as a bold declaration, its message resonating with both nostalgia and a hint of irony. A lush community garden thrives against the stark backdrop of a towering factory, a vibrant symbol of hope. On-screen text declares, "Cultivating the future, a testament to growth and renewal." In the heart of the factory, a broken clock hangs still on the wall, symbolizing the stagnation of time itself. The screen displays a haunting revelation. Time stands still, casting a dark shadow over the silent machinery and deserted workspace. Under the sun's gaze, a local artist breathes life into a factory wall, igniting an artistic revival. With each brushstroke, the artist transforms the factory, weaving a vibrant narrative of hope and renewal. The mural blooms across the industrial landscape, a poignant symbol of transformation and rebirth. A corroded pipe stands as a stark testament to decay. On-screen text appears, ominously declaring, "Industrial veins." Against the overcast sky, a solitary bird dances above the sprawling factory complex, a symbol of untamed freedom amidst industrial decay. Words blaze across the screen. Freedom in decay. In the heart of the factory, a broken light bulb dangles precariously, its shattered filament a stark symbol of fading hope. The light bulb's broken state mirrors the desolate factory environment, signaling the end of an era. On-screen text appears, ominously heralding the fading illumination that has befallen this place. Under the sun's gaze, a weathered historical marker stands as a silent sentinel, its surface shimmering with tales of yesteryear. Etched in time, the words, "Remembering the past," materialize on the screen, echoing the weight of history. The camera unveils a sweeping view of the factory floor, its vastness echoing with emptiness, as if the silence itself is a physical presence. A stark on-screen caption, "Vast emptiness," punctuates the desolate atmosphere, emphasizing the haunting silence that pervades every corner. Under the cloak of a starry night, the factory looms, a silent giant harboring secrets beneath the celestial expanse. In the heart of the factory, a worker's helmet gleams, symbolizing the spirit of dedication and the burden of responsibility. Superimposed boldly across the scene, the words, "Protecting the legacy," echo the weight of history and the challenges of tomorrow. The restored factory stands tall under the open sky, symbolizing a new beginning